spring tide and neap tide. A rise and fall of ocean waters that occurs twice daily is called a tide. Tides are caused by the gravitational pull of the sun and the moon. The moon, being much closer to the earth than the sun, exerts a greater force of attraction. The rise in the level of water is called a high tide. The fall in the level of water is called a low tide. When the sun, moon, and the earth come in a line, as on a new moon or a full moon night. When the sun and the moon make a right angle with the earth, as on a half-moon night, the force of attraction gets balanced and the tides are not so high. These are called neap tides.